Hey YouTubers, it's me, Amanda Cartret again, and there's a winter storm because I am drinking some hot chocolate. It's good for a blizzard. Oh no, there is snow on my elephant. Yes! Snow outside and snow on my dwarfs, and there's snow is coming out. Yes, Anthony? Yes, Ma? Yes, Ma? Okay. If you'll excuse me, YouTubers, I have to go see my mom. I'll be right back. Okay, Mommy. Mommy, my windows are closed at the top. At the top. Oh, yes. Okay. That's better. Ma, that's better. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Now, where was I? Anyway, everybody. There, my window is already closed. My window is already closed. So there is my window closed. Oh, it's my window. It's right there. We'll fix it. Oh, those poor dwarfs are all covered in snow. I'll clean up this mess. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.